how to fix ChatGPT conversation not found. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the problem like ChatGPT conversation not found. So let's get started. First, as you have to just check your internet connection whether it is stable or not. Simply you can try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, refresh or reopen the ChatGPT. After you refresh the website or app, your problem should be fixed. If you are still getting that issue, simply you'll have to try to log out and log back to your account. For that, tap on two lines at the top left. From here, tap on your account at the bottom. And from here, scroll down and tap on logout. After you log out there, simply you'll have to log back to your account. After that, you'll be able to find your old conversation. If you not find it, update the application if it is available. Simply open App Store or Play Store. Now from here, search for the application ChatGPT. If you find any update from here, simply tap on update. After you update latest version of ChatGPT, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you need to clear the cache or cookies. For the browser, you'll have to clear browsing data plus cookies. For the app, clear the cache of that application. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. And from here, find out the application ChatGPT. After you find it, tap on that. From here, simply tap on upload. Alright, tap on upload. After you tap on upload, from there, tap on reinstall app again. After you reinstall and clear the cache of ChatGPT, your problem should be fixed. At last, if you are getting that issue again, you'll have to reinstall that application by deleting that application. Also, you'll have to disable the VPN and proxy if you have enabled it. Sometimes VPN interface with ChatGPT servers. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.